in your hands. Don't let anybody break you down. Don't let anybody break your spirit. Opportunities are everywhere. Thank you, everybody. Barbara Campbell, independent digital music artist, creator. This is my new song, Don't Let Anybody Break You Down. Digitally released, look for it. Head over to my social media, head over to my YouTube channel, Barbara Campbell Television, and subscribe so you can check out all the latest performance, get a exclusive premiere of my premium content. If you haven't subscribed, head over to my website and subscribe and be part of my email list so you don't miss a performance when I'm BC Original Rehearsal and when I'm out and about and performing live soon to be as we're going into the fall season in a beautiful 2022. And I'll have to see you in a city near you. If you want to hear Barbara Campbell music, call your radio station, like reach out to your bloggers, your influencers, like spread the word, because I'm an independent artist. There's so much I can do from where I am, but with your help, my fans, my supporters, those that want to hear more of my creation on the radio, on TV, in your neighborhood, in your local streets, talk to those who have a record store, have means of communicating and sharing music with the world in your neighborhood. Thank you so much, everybody. You mean the world, and I greatly appreciate it. And without you, I wouldn't be here to be able to do what I'm doing. I overcame my shyness via music, and via the pandemic, I learned how to write and play an instrument. And it's so important that our voices be heard. And I'm telling my story via music. All right, everybody. Till then, you count, you matter. Stay in Brooklyn, and I appreciate you all. Bye bye.